Do you want a better system to find, share, and reuse your SolidWorks data? With Teamcenter Product Data Management, design information created in SolidWorks can be captured, controlled, and shared in a highly secure PDM environment with version management and access controls that ensure access to the right information at the right time. Design teams can quickly search and access SolidWorks parts, assemblies, and drawings to eliminate time wasted trying to find and share design information. It also enables your organization to eliminate unnecessary change orders by ensuring that everyone is working from the latest design information. SolidWorks users can easily access PDM functions such as search and reuse, structured workflows, change management processes, design relationships, and more from within the native MCAD authoring environment. These capabilities go beyond workgroup-based CAD data management. They enable design teams at different locations and throughout your supply chain to work closely together to streamline the product development process. Best of all, whether your business uses one CAD system or several, Teamcenter also supports NX, CATIA, Creo, SolidEdge, AutoCAD, and Inventor, along with non-CAD users for company-wide collaboration. If this sounds like the solution for you, take a look at Teamcenter Rapid Start, the pre-configured PDM solution to get you up and running with PDM in 2 to 3 weeks.